Amy here with Hailbound Company and Sublimation and More, and in this video tutorial I'm just showing you how to easily edit this pet identification template that's available on our website for purchase to go with the Pet ID MDF tags that we also sell. Alright, as of the current moment I only sell the Texas template. If you're interested in me creating a template for your state, you can email me at amy@hailbound.com, or you can send me a PM on Facebook. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. And to clarify, this is only available for Photoshop only. And the reason is because of the complexity as far as having folders and different layers. Elements won't allow you to open the folders that I'm aware of at this time, and there's just too many different text modifications. So maybe in the future we'll have this available for other formats such as Corel, but not at this time. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So you have two folders. You've got the front and then you've got the back. If you click on the eye over here to the right, it turns off the front. If you click on the eye, it turns off the back. Okay. If you click on the arrow, it will expand that folder. And I'm going to click on the arrow for the front as well. Okay. Both the front and the back have safe areas. And as you can see, I turn that on by clicking on the eye. This just gives you an idea of what should print without being cut off. If you need to make sure you turn it off before printing, so to do that, you can click on the eye. As you can see over here to the right in the layers, you can see all the different text layers that you can modify. So you've got the pet identification. You can change that to pet driver's license or whatever you want. And then you've got the phone number, which is going to be the DL number. You've got date of birth, name, street address, city, state, zip. You've got the type of pet, which is going to be the breed, I believe. Yes. And then you've got the height, and let's see, type of pet is in the breed. Okay, there we go. So type of pet and the breed. You've got height, sex, eye color, weight, hair color, and then you've got the signature, which we do provide the font for you. All right. So as far as changing the picture, all you have to do is come over here where it says right click and replace contents. That may be hard for you to see, so if that is, you just need to stretch that out. And you do exactly as it says. You just right click and you go all the way up to the top where it says replace contents, and that is where you can select your picture of your fur baby. I'm going to go ahead and just select this fish for the time being. As you can see, the fish is a lot smaller, so you'll just want to drag it and resize it. Okay, and you make it fit in there. Alright, so the image placeholder down below that is just to keep, when you're stretching your image and resizing it, it's making sure that the image doesn't go past the actual template, so it keeps it in place. So you don't really want to modify that at all. And for the back, let's see, let's go here. So for the back, you have, like I said, a safe area again. I've added some text in there for you. You can delete it, change its font. I left the little paw shapes in there. Again, you can delete those, or you can click the eye just to turn them off in case you want to use them at a later date. Okay, as far as changing the color of the template back, just double click over here where it says color overlay, and it's going to bring up another screen, and you're just going to choose whatever color you want it to be. Okay. Now the back side is great for you to be able to add your pet's microchip number, and if you don't have a microchip, like I don't on one of my fur babies, then you can create a QR code that will allow you to put in your personal information, so that all they have to do is just scan it and scan the QR code with their phone, and it'll automatically bring up all your personal information that way as well. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.